Motherland. Sepula. Bomboclat now. Seban. 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 Bomboclat again. Seban people. Cut you load from me now. Hey. With the rubber stink like alligator pan. The schema today we are the.
Chef Young start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. Out of kitchen and wash off your clothes. Massacre, me I say, yo, Chef Young media, you know what going on one side to the landslide, you hear that?
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Dexta Daps represent for Chef Young, straight, you know the badness. Boom, you know.
Yo, I'm from here, the voice of Alliance representing Chef Young Media. Tune in right now, don't be a pussy. Mad.
Bad enough, mad enough, even say monster enhance. As I bleach out you, I'm there to represent for Chef Young Media. I'm mad this body, so I say Chef Young Media, the man body thing them see them, bad room.
Check out respect and all aspect, you know the thing, agent Saska, you know this is Chef Young Media, see? Stay tuned, man.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The man can represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Hope you don't know Mr. Killa representing for Launcher for Chef Young Media. If you don't know this media, well I don't know which media you know, but this media is one of the biggest and baddest media, Chef Young Media. Killa representing. I want that fat girl.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
She know we are not underwear.
Bring it to the owner!
Oasis, Oasis, Oasis!
On stage!
Cha.
Bring it to the owner!
Cha.
Jesus!
Cha. The DJ, hear something of my boss. If you hear something of my boss, it's getting serious right now. It's getting serious right now.
Ladies, let me hear you scream!
I feel nobody under the land. Really grab and speak like alligator pan. Oasis! Cha. Toronto, are you ready? Toronto, are you ready?
Make some noise!
When I say Dexta, you say Daps. Dexta!
Check. Somebody said bumbleclot. No, sir. Somebody said bumbleclot. Make me see if you're not ready for my artist. Make me see if you're not ready for my artist. Ready.
Yo, turn on my microphone.
Long time we no Killa man.
Toronto, ready!
Say you want your man, so every plan we cancel. No, first you can. One time. One of my real bad girl, them pop up and link me. Toronto, are you ready? Wanna know what's on my time now? And I'm sent for them nice, clean body ladies here, though. I can't go no mass. Every plan we cancel. No, don't first you can. And even do it long, so you make it touch your dance. No. One time. Say she want give me king treatment, guess she feel kinky. Me never feel like cheating. before she start convince me. No, Toronto, you see that party, our time, sing it loud. She said, she know we're not on the way. Say she want a big thing on the day. And when me put her, oh God. Look how me they think for wicked, what a girl. Oi, whenever we fuck it up, it's spontaneous. That pussy they make any man. Me know you love your cocky but you're choosing. And you just love me, make your man check. Me tell the girl for shift the chart, she shift one. Me tell her tell me something dirty, she whisper. Again she said, she now we're on the way. Say she want a big thing on the day. Oh my God, so put her legs in the air like chandelier. You want your man, so every plan of it cancel. No, don't curse, you can't. You do it long, so you make me touch your dance. Love up your feet. Personal. Pussy good and that's gospel. Front of sitting fee come back to Toronto. Just see that party, one more time for me. She said, she now you're on the way. Say she want a big thing on the day. And when me put her on legs, oh God. Hey, look how many think for wicked. She said, she now we're on the way. Say she want a big thing on the day. And when me put her on legs in the air like chandelier. Look how many think more wicked. What a girl. I gotta sing for my ladies tonight. Toronto, you feel good? Listen. Down on the beat, you for you have your times, have your ways, nothing for you. Toronto ladies, fuck you so good, make you feel like you want to cry. Girl, but just love on me and you connect like a Wi-Fi. You see, safe with me, you're freaking a try. Hey, me say that pussy they fit, me sure you are. Oh, yeah. Sing, cock up your pussy pump. Boy, skin out your pussy pump. Me put it in like password. Then me put in so hard work. Your pussy for too much work. Your body good on me this straight, yeah. Girl, if me done, you need blasters. You are gonna get why your last words. She said, babes, oh babe, this time the fuck you too painful. You should have seen her face. Face, cocky your rich tears fall. Down. She said, I fuck you feel so good, tears come down. Fuck her so good, she fall like rain, come down. She said she want me to sink it way down. Rub down her wall, them until them tear down. Oh, when me don't need your pussy on my cripple, me can never ride another bicycle. Pussy swell big, too oily cold. Get it with cream, come me and be boy. No next man, no question. Pussy clean, so I no protection. Listen, I gotta sing your favorite song for you tonight. Sing, cock up your pussy pan. Boy, skin out your pussy pan. Me put it in like password. Then me put it so hard work. Your pussy for too much. She said, babes, next time the fuck you too painful. You should have seen her face. When they cocky and reach her, tears fall. Down. tears come. Shh, fuck her so good she fall like rain come. Down, down, down. Toronto, we can just sing for you tonight. Listen, me write them song, yeah. For girls and girls only. Toronto, girl, if I could change you all. Oh, yo. If you know I'd sing, but not leave you. But cheat and you cheat too. Where the fuck me I leave go? But not leave you. Me I fuck you forever and ever. But cheat and you cheat too. Where the fuck me I leave? Done with the ways I take. You know for create a scene. Look how you deal with me. Rough like alligator skin. Them say you have a look, come on, I never get a beam. Toronto for you know the song sing. You want to hear a thing when you want me for. Pussy cut in a two and buzz up you. Love your tongue ring me, no want more with you. Toronto sing it out. But now leave you. Come and cheat and you cheat too. Where the fuck me leave go? Listen, I feel like someone for work tonight. Woo! On the phone, bud. She said she want you just a acting say. The cocky got her up in her feelings. Toronto! Need a no replacement. Next time we fuck me, I got me pull up. We up all night, speaking on the phone, but cheating. Say she have a man, wanna leave it. She say she want you just a acting say. The cocky got her up in her feelings. Sing. Look like you need a no replacement. Next time we fuck me, I gonna make a statement. No mission, we fuck on no we know. Me move out of me house and live in a yo. Me say no grass, no green. Pan on the side, say she love it doing hurt her. The fuck just good, she wanna cry. She love it, but sing it out now. She up no like a window. Pussy just a twinkle, so her whole body just a tremble, so she up no black a window. Me make she fly like a flamingo. Me make she dash at the deal. She no fear use no fear. Listen, you say you feel me one. Now make me ask speed, just bring it come. Me and you feel there, so I fuck to me song. Children trending, you need to give me. She say, shh, shh, let me hear them. No, sing on original. On original. We have a song I want to sing for you. Please press play. Please don't take this one personal. It not aim off for no man personally. I join the music, but stop fight with him, make him. Toronto! Not right for you, I think you need to left him the boy too poor when him for make you up. He might curious if he alone and no time give you fuck. But if he do us not fight with him, make him fight for you. You're too nice to him, the boy love him. Toronto! Sing it out for me. Break! Man kill him, girl, I guess I cause I pussy too good. Break! Your pussy too. Breaking news. Kill him, girl, I guess I cause I pussy too good. Sing. If you's a king, treat her like a queen. Members send on the two and her like a team. Don't be the man that just can't understand them. No born with a pop. Stop fighting him, make him. You're too nice to him, the boy love him. One more time, Toronto. Sing. Breaking news. Man, I kill him, girl, I guess I cause I know it too good. Your pussy too. Sing breaking news. fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice to him, the boy love him belly. Poison him. Poison your bumbo clot. Me a manto. Stop with the foolishness. Marcho. Listen, Toronto, this is a very special moment. Because this is the moment I'm gonna talk about my personal life for a second. I don't know if you know this one, but listen. I start fuck back the ex-girl there. Cause she know for make me feel good sexually. Oh, me no know man of your all, I put a all your palm. What's when she blow it like a whistle? The girl you make me say more, me coulda see her, but me coulda pull up. Some of these songs are fear really new, and I just want to make sure I sing your favorite song, and I don't miss nothing tonight. This one is featuring Stark Ashley. Oh, come here, a real bad girl, we freak your mad. We fuck anywhere we in the plane bathroom with we. She have my soul a freelance. Me and back. We fuck anywhere we want. She fuck me with a grievance. Demon time as the God arrive. Pussy in the air like satellite. Yep. Pull up your dirty bumper. You see love fucker. Listen. Where's it? Everything alright? No, I'm like when time me up. You know, give me 1 second. Listen, I want to take this second to talk from my heart. This is a really special moment for me. It's my pleasure. It's my humble pleasure to be a part of this lineup. Listen, I missed some of the performances and you don't know how I feel right now. You must know because you enjoy it all. This wasn't no mistake. This was just beauty. And I just want to thank everybody who come out and support this. After 20 years, Bounty Killa is back in Toronto. Thank you so much, Toronto. And for that, I want to express myself that way here. You have to believe in yourself from see if you come from. Listen. Nothing is impossible, believe. Cause if I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Toronto, for you believe in yourself. Help me sing. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. From side to side, go so now. Drop of them for know how we are. Bow, bow, shut at them from. Blessing off a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer. Big up Bounty Killa. Come on and fire like a rocket. Them a go stop it. Y'all give me pussy something fat in the traffic. Turning up the profit that I cash in my pocket. For you believe in yourself. Cause if you, yeah, we at it. Never left the matic. Go get the bread, the place we want, and not forgot it. I will even tell you about the island of Jurassic. Twin, turn it up. Blessing off a flow like a river. 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 Toronto, top of them for know so we a leader. Shut at them ready for press the trigger. Blessing off a flow like a river. Them turn them back and we turn them in a bit. Listen, blessings are follow we know. People honor we know. Did a fit on it up, it could keep the body reload. Stop it! Sorry Toronto for stop your vibe. Sometimes I get in on myself, I have a thought in my mind. I remember when time I just start music and Bounty Killa said, Dexta Daps, you happy boss. That do something different. To me, it inspire me. He say, nothing they can't tell me so I can't do it. the man seal something when me have a little doubt about. I may have to say thanks to Killa. Big up to Bounty Killa. And you see, because him say, Dexter, I co-sign your career. Me have a youth where from my boss, I say I co-sign your career, youth. I'm dead if I come here, so. Yo, I say the youth nearly missile in flight. I don't like this. Me like when time who deserve it, get it. The youth your name, Black Man. Listen, anyone going to the world, I try to make the youth your voice heard. Him talented. Please give me a moment. If you really miss somebody in your life, this one is for you. Press play.
Toronto, the one in Canada. Allow me somebody put up them phone line. Are the black one? Remember when we run the last joke and have the last laugh? Even though me grew up, you know me ass up.
You know the party vibe.
When we have smoke and we have blast up.
Never knew so.
Hey, Toronto, do me vex dog, me have to keep me clocks up. Here some man a talk tough and some a talk soft. Say tap me late night before dark pass. Same time me get dark like how my glass dark.
Them turn your lights up just like a light switch. Oh! Toronto, this is Black Man, say go on, youth!
Toronto, ready now. I the black one. Big up everybody.
Hey!
Remember when we run the last joke and have the last laugh? Even though me grow tough, you know me ass up. In the party vibe when we have smoke and we have blast up.
Never did know the party vibe that we have blast up.
Do me vex dog, me have to keep me clocks up.
Here some man a talk tough and some a talk
soft. Say it at me late night before dark pass. Same time me get dark like how me glass dark.
Them turn your lights up just like a light switch. Make me have to get a big spliff and light it. Wish I could have seen it coming like a psychic. But me see my virgin in a heaven with a nice chick. Straight nine man, them push my ice pick. Oh, 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 oh. You see that party? If you know I think Toronto, for your gun. That hear them up all. When them take you from on. You never live on. You're not with we no more. Oh. If you really miss your friend, say you soon I miss you.
Allow lose a loved one. Toronto, Dexter, you wanna know when me vex for. Them kill the sound man, I know him a selector. True, you shine bright and them a reflector. One tell you what you do and them a know the rector. Where them put shot in a the Manchester. Team family go bury him a Manchester. Them want give you wreath and rose. Come a your funeral compose when your casket a close.
Oh. Gone but your life not forgotten. In your white while you lying on the coffin. You are the most liars who are missing falling. You see that song you youth? Oh, must have split fire and dash a little bit fire. Every time I sing it, I think about somebody specific. And them keep going up. Me miss my friend and my family, them gone. I miss you so much. That hear them a ball. Toronto sing, you remember live on. You're not with we no more. Oh, I miss you so much. Sing, say you soon, I miss you so much. Toronto, this is Black Man. And if you want him sing another one, say more.
Ready now. Nice for the night at Toronto. You know, how the rhythm I move ignorant so. Ready? Alright, them in the dark and me in the light. Flashback play number 399.
Sepula!
And the black one.
In action.
Big up the hot girl them in the place. So all like gangster them. Dexta, big up yourself. Bounty Killa. Alright, them in the dark and we in the light. Flashback play number 399. I saw me say them a 399 for the last 3 nights. 399. A man kill a man downtown in the morning and did a half a 399. No where the nigga did a 399. Me know same family. Bounce it low now. Man coming from C99. One party and a pre-limelight. Mix liquor me no know why night. Kick up a girl say she not wine right. See a man a pass in a him chain and bust it off, say it not shine bright. Them a go send him home when the time right. Put him in a place when he can't find light. I saw me say them a pre-night. I saw me say them a pre-night. Eat fish and bread with D-night. I mean no a play and that.
Shoot again. Mad artist step on stage, I'm a guanta. Toronto and bad, say bad.
Bad and mad. Big up the whole of sexy girl them in a place. Ready now.
Listen.
If 20 girl dash show me have to get 10. The next day me go for the next 10. You should have seen the text them where Yvette send. She says she love it when me cocky extend. Happy put the cocky pan fatty best friend. Fatty says she happy so me happy test them. Me happy give me fatty next friend. Ready
some
now.
More. Some more.
Are the black one
in action?
Look up the girl is them too, you know. Watch out, if 20 girl dash show me have to get 10. The next day me go for the next 10. You should have seen the text them where Yvette send. She says she love it when me cocky extend. Me have to put the cocky pan fatty best friend. Fatty says she happy so me happy test them. Me happy says she happy give me fatty next friend. Put on the pressure on the flappy breast them car. I saw me get them, I saw me wet them. I saw me wet them, I saw me get them. True Western Union money get them. Real that tonight, huh?
Hold on, but now I'm going to no more. You don't want more? You don't want more? We have to go make your shoot again, you know. More with him!
You know, so we're there and we have to DJ for the people, them. Are they black? Where gangster them there? You know, I'm mad, me head sick. Sick Toronto head mad, we head sick. Any boy this bad man a dead quick. Pint out a wood, Dexta boss him head quick. Black body drop when ninja take kick. Lucky the police them intercept quick. When the police drive in pan the scene and bouncy low now. Watch ya, boy this me Monday gone. Tuesday him run we gone. As a most time friend them it's where Sunday gone. No make me get dark, see the Sunday gone. Should you make me buck, you know you're farried and me gonna down. We set a man a pray that we don't pray that we never.
Pull over!
Are they black?
Pull over! No more! No more! Toronto give it up for black man!
Up in Toronto, the whole of Canada. Seaview, Jamaica. Mad. Dexta, wake up yourself.
But me don't know who she get to. This one is for all of my fans that we know my friend way about them time there. Sing, I can't take my name for it because I almost believe it. I know my seat there. Whoever dear one fans them, I'll win your fucked in, man. Me never ask them if you want your pussy if you need a me. Yeah, cause I'll win them say 6 man got it. Yes, oh. Mix me. Even the girl how much you feel me too. I guess I'm whoa, never move your body. No tune again. Who know me from long time? Listen, me come out and I sing some new tune, you know. Tell me how the dear one song them. Listen again. Never even crossed my mind. Is a girl that's argue with me half the time. Rubber fans up there, Toronto. Pull up head where you are cry about. Remember your lie where you no feel lie about. The lie they too deep can't climb out. To how your pussy feel, maybe find out. Say your brother not the brother where you point out. It slide in when you let the brother slide out. Make a finger. Toronto push it up in the sky now. Hey, my heart now broke too. Wait, because you fuck up on me too. You fuck on me too. Listen, this segment is called They Want. Listen again. Hey, friends for real, we love our girl. But the Dexta Daps fans them there. Help me sing the one you remember me. When me see you leader. Whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah. I know you're high till you go with a little nigga up. But just wait till me up, you go see a who. Ghost, till your boss, Toronto. Me say me now say you know fi move on, but no. I know you mean for tell me say but I can't stick to one something too long. Girl, you know say you're too jealous, say you go on like say you can't wrong. But since you are miss right, move yo. Hey, remember, when you really know me in Toronto, we can test you now again. Remember test you now again, Toronto. Well, this one is not mine, but I like it. A boy like me. Like me not mad. Sing, cause you can't just one. Me not time to mad over one. One. Pull up. I'm buckled. It's me have fun. You see this next song? I want to make sure somebody get real comfortable.
What is Toronto bad people them there?
Load from in on the land. Say pull up. Bombo clock now. Say bad. Say bad. Say bad. Say bad. Say bad. Say bad. Bombo clock again. Say bad people. Cut you load from in. Hey, with the rubber stick like alligator pan. The schema today we are the. Hey. Say pull up. Shabbat, 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 Shabbat. Toronto, bad people time now. Got to load from in on the land. Load the grabbers stink like alligator pan. The schema today we are the boom. A boy should have drop. Brrr. Long time we no kill a man. Set up and make a jam black rain. Hi! When the grabber hand, schema like. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's drop every banana. Swing like the rims on it. With the banana. Who want the verse enough? You want the next verse? Who want the verse? You want the next verse? We badder than. We madder than. We make black rain fall when you see me not. Say pull up. Let's go shoot up in your head one more time. Toronto, a bad people time now. Cut you load from in on the land. The grabber stink like a legal top on. The schema to the. A boy should have dropped. Long time. So make we circle them ends like the little man. Toronto make we set up and make a damn black rain fall. But the grabber hat. Schema like some mother pot. Shot fire. Spin like the rims on it. When the M1 on up. You see the party again, our time. What the bad people up there? Hey, we say we madder than. We say we madder than. We make black rain fall when you see me not. Judge. Booker. Bad people there, move. Bad people there, move. Bad people time again, move. Person has a funny head and squeeze. The woman team there and parade and wheel. See that one, boy? Jana party was tight.
One play the lights here, but take it. Blue ceiling on your mouth, but you fake it. Toronto, but people, them long time on display. Oh, them just got it. Aye. You see up in also when my boss might go, no. Oh, it's up. Wonder we should go be Cut it out. Stop it. Cut it out. Cut it out. Stop it. Cut it out. The killer is here, you good. You take care of the ladies. Stop it. I know my job that. Yes. That is not my job. Let me calm down. You ready for your job now? And sing some song for them title ladies here. All my independent ladies, make some noise. Let's go, Toronto. Make we turn on the side, you know. For my ladies, my Toronto type pussy ladies. Ready now, sing it out for me. But see me bed, I miss you. You live a fragrance in my room. You make me fly like a balloon into the sky. I miss you. Any man you give that pussy, that him a fi honor you. Any girl you say them into them a just a fan of you. Me look up the definition of the baddest honor you. Girl, pussy so good, me wish me about 21 of you. Boy can't style you, but him a go take one and go. I mean you fuck you, but me shoulda fuck you long ago. Sing it out, you see me bird, I miss you. You live a fragrance in my room. Whoa, you make me fly like a balloon, oh, into the sky. I miss you. Position, now me bed bump in the air. Pull up. You see, on the love foolishness. Unfortunately, the end of my time is near. And one more. Toronto. This is a grand show. And trust me, I won't leave you like that. Because we have so much more to come. Ready again! Let's see if I really do. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Wind up your body, ladies. Me nah go like girl, me nah love you, but you pussy me go weak to you. Me just really love you, fuck you, me nah really want to sleep with you. And your pussy me in love, but if you want me for me real to you. Me nah go like girl, me nah love you, but you pussy me. Every man grab a lady. First thing. I don't think I want to go yet. But can I sing another one? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tonight, me say make we keep it on a dance. Girl, let's sit down by. Oh baby, once be can't lock the one now. You don't need no permit. Now you did say you're my pussy, so come bring it to the. Bring it to the owner. Show up, bring it to the owner. Bring it to the owner, no. Oh, you make your pussy still feel like you never fucked before. Why know you want to let? C4, one must start check gear now, y'all. Change out one.
Toronto, please give it up for my sexy dancer. But now go on and sing a favorite song, ladies. What the girl is them there in Toronto? Hold on for a woman now. Fuck you mean, say me no miss you. When your pussy make me heart to skip a beat. Cause when you see us sit fuck you mean I never breathe. Couple of my friends I see you. Say your pussy off you good cause I know me no leave. Sexiness I feel thing cock up in everything. Your pussy make me want stop. Some can done now and go home there. I don't know a little joke me around. Come now go home and bounty killing and work on them mad. Shoot! You see this one? It put me on the map. Big up Louis culture. Hurry gangali. She want a gangali gangali. She want a gangali. What the real dancehall reggae fans, them know Louis culture there. Help me sing this film. Come. Better you touch somebody, yeah. Come here. You know, see the boy need it. Me can't hear you no Toronto. Sing this one, Lord, for Louis culture. Lord, she want a riganga. Whoa, whoa, she want a bow, bow. Come here. Come here. She want a riganga. She want a big long body. Come here. Can't go up yourself. Me just want you get in on your element. Bill Lewinsky and me be the president. Since you say you're free, come show me the evidence. Hey, tight pussy girls ever in the fashion. Always trending. Hey, me love a girl what's up, man. Whoa, everybody sing it out now. I just flicked it. She have to come back tomorrow. Sing the jazz away, fuck on away. Just fly like a marble. Just see that part, yeah. Everybody now sing. Call me, yeah. Little come on up, up the booty. Better you fuck some. You know, see the boy need it. Come out to people coming, no come out to feel off. Now you're on me shop, no come for sweet talk. No more cut to coming, no come for sky lock. Who say you feel run on me, cocky your shine. If I'm on, you feel run on it. When I see my team, the man style, I run with it. Buckler, Toronto. I just flick the jazz away, fuck arm away. She have to come back to. Flick the jazz away, fuck arm away. You can't turn up your song again. Turn it up loud. Toronto one more time. Come here. Little come and now fuck you good. Pull up. So the most satisfying out Toronto. But I'm still, that's the time. Remember, cry please when you lock it. Fear, you know your means a fanatic. And if you ever never feel so forgot it. Illness stimulus me, I go check the devil with a matic. Send it like a rocket. Push it, plug up in a yellow socket. You know you have a tightest soul, a tightest soul. They are reminisce when me are dash down there in your wet pussy. Make you feel like you wanna ecstasy. Toronto, this one is new. Hey, me need back the fuck from the last time. You have a tightest soul, a tightest soul. They are reminiscent me up. Dash down there, you know your wet pussy. Make you feel like you wanna ecstasy. Toronto.
favor. Broke off mood for me one more time. From pain and not something where you're afraid of. Broke off mood. Hey. Pace yourself and no race, me I gon' need your breast. See if you're sexually sex full of intellect. See if you're sexy no more is a sin honestly. Skin out your whole, everything connect. Get wild, bring your mind to the wilderness. Bend over, should be through the window there. Shot your 3 box before we get intimate. Toronto, me need back the fuck from the when the fuck you got on a waistline there. Hey, base me ask one favor. Broke off mode for me one more time. From pain and not something where you're afraid of. Toronto, thank you so much for coming out for such a wonderful event. Until next time, thank you so much. Yo, 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 yo. Give it up for Dexta Daps. Oasis, you could do better than that. Give it up.
Toronto, scream!